Welcome to the brand new HomeWorld here at Warnervale, and this is the Forsyth 33. It's definitely a very popular design for Eden Brae homes, and it's popular for a few reasons. The first is that it's a two-storey home and it has a great layout with 4 bedrooms and 4 separate living areas. But it is also an adaptable floor plan that can be changed to suit your individual needs. This particular floor plan has more of the traditional layout, but at the front of the home, this area can be transformed to have a guest suite option that would change it to a 5-bedroom home. So it's the adaptability of this home that really elevates just how popular the Forsyth design is. The first of those 4 living areas is actually located at the front of the home. This is the family room. Now, we have set this up as a nice formal space with a fireplace. It's an important space to be able to separate from the rest of the family and maybe have some time on your own. You might choose to have it as a study or a nice formal space to entertain your guests. Upstairs though is quite exciting. I particularly love the floor plan, so join me now as we take a look. It's up here on the first floor that you start to understand just how large the Forsyth 33 really is. This is the games room. As you can see, it is huge, the perfect breakout space for the whole family to enjoy. But its position is key to the success of the floor plan. It separates the bedrooms. At the rear, we've got 2 bedrooms, and at the front of the home are the other 2 bedrooms. All of them have their own en-suites. Now, the rooms to the rear are quite large and they have their own built-in robes. At the front, there is another bedroom with its own built-in robe, and then we have a very generous master suite that I want you to come and check out because it's very impressive. I told you that the master bedroom was big. Well, it's in fact not big, it's huge. Now, we've got 2 bedside tables and a king bed, not a queen. There's still plenty of space for a seating area, and you can see all of that natural light just flood on in. You can access the walk-in robe from either side of the bed by a large hallway that flows right behind it. And at the end of that hallway, there's enough space for a pampering station. Behind that is the ensuite. It's got a freestanding bath and 2 basins. Combined, this creates the perfect master suite of hotel proportions. Back on the ground floor in the center of this floor plan is the home theater. It is a great size, perfect for the whole family to enjoy movie nights. And then you arrive here. This is the pinnacle of this home plan, I think. We've got a large open plan family, dining and kitchen. Perfect for entertaining or just for a nice family night together at home. As far as cooking, well, you are spoiled for choice with this kitchen layout. We've got so much bench space and so much storage. On either side of the cooktop, which is flooded by natural light thanks to that beautiful splashback window, you can cook up a storm. And then the island, well, we have a large single bowl sink, great for entertaining or for, again, a family meal. We've also got an open plan pantry in this particular design, part of that adaptability where you could choose to close it in and have a separate walk-in pantry if you wish. We place the microwave around there as well as a second sink. And again, there's plenty of bench space for food storage and preparation. This layout is perfect for entertaining, but it's also a beautiful space for the whole family to spend time together. It's flooded with natural light and it's very welcoming. The successful combination of a great floor plan and the connection between indoors and out is key to every Eden Brae home. But here in the Forsyth 33, you can see how successful it is with large sliding glass doors connecting with this great alfresco area, allowing you to enjoy this home all year round. There's certainly a lot to love here at the Forsyth 33. I'd love you to come and walk through and get inspired and see if this home is perfect for you. You can do so right here at HomeWorld Warnervale, or why not do the virtual tour online at edenbraehomes.com.au.